Anaheim, California. You hear it and think, Disneyland. And yeah, let's start there because magic is magic. Pro tip, rope drop in the morning, stack lightning lanes, hop to California Adventure by midday for Cars Land. The Incredicoaster. Grab a Dole Whip, obviously. And when your feet are like, girl, please drift to downtown Disney for beignets and live music. But Anaheim is way more than mouse ears. Hit the Anaheim Packing House, this gorgeous old citrus warehouse turned food hall. Ramen, crispy chicken, bao, artisan ice pops. Step outside to Farmers Park for chill lawn vibes and pop-ups. Center Street Promenade, murals, boutiques, good coffee, latte at Ink and Bean, latte at Bodhi Leaf, Museo Museum and Cultural Center. Sports mode? Angel Stadium tours, stadium exterior and tour groups, dugouts, press box, Honda Center with the Ducks, crowd shots, Oak Canyon Nature Center, shady trails and creek at golden hour, Yorba Regional Park, lakes, bike paths, picnic spots, Anaheim Garden Walk, evening restaurants, Anaheim's craft beer scene, local taps, Anaheim Brewery, Brewery X, unsung brewing, low-key patios and pours, Pearson Park, historic vibe and amphitheater, live shows at Honda Center for friends, quick hits, parking can be tricky, aim early or rideshare, sun is real, hat, sunscreen, water, reservations for hot food spots save your sanity. Anaheim is theme park sparkle meets local flavor. Come for the castle, stay for the food halls, trails, nightlights. If you want my exact map and eats list, drop a comment and I'll link it. See you in Anaheim.